been up this high, but I quite damn lie. If you duck and weave, eventually you will leave with bloodstains on your sleeve. Merciless pain. If you're gonna disrespect my flow, we can go toe to toe. Treat you like my nasty hoe. Come on down and hop off. And it folds my favorite gun, the sauna.
Heavy.
Don't ever make that mistake.